Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to be cooking up some Pollo Asado. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm starting with two 5-pound whole chickens. Just gonna start with one and move the other one out of the way. First things first is dry up your chicken skin. That's gonna help get that crispy skin that everybody is after. Just dry it up really nice. Oh look, a little feather. So I'm gonna be spatchcocking both of these chickens. And I like to start over here on the neck side. And I got my shears here. Just cut right alongside that backbone. And these aren't very sharp anymore. So what happens when your shears aren't sharp, I just take out my knife and cut that excess skin. Now you can do this with a knife, a sharp knife as well. Okay, turn the chicken around, grab the chicken butt, and cut away. All right, just like that. Now you can save the backbone, make some chicken stock if you want, but I'm just gonna toss that in the trash, okay? Now a little trick here to split the breastbone. You see a lot of people, and I've done it before too, is they turn it around and really put some weight to crack that breastbone. What I like to do is just take a sharp knife and cut it. And at this point, all you gotta do is just reach in there and break it just like that. It's that simple, okay? So now for the trimming part. All this extra skin I don't need, and all this extra fat. So I'm just gonna start trimming a lot of this off. All right, keep that surface nice and dry. So I'm gonna trim up the other chicken, and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so I've got my chickens cleaned up, and I'm gonna spray a little bit of avocado oil on the skin of this chicken. I'm gonna try to keep one hand clean throughout this entire process. And this avocado oil is gonna help get that skin really nice and crispy. All right, so I don't need to apply any avocado oil to the inside of this chicken. So let's go ahead and rub it down. I'm gonna be using this El Capitan seasoning from Pia Seasoning. Now this stuff is absolutely delicious. This is a Baja chili citrus seasoning that can also be used as a taco seasoning for taco night. So I did put some in the shaker just to make it easier to apply. And I like to apply quite a bit of rub on the inside to give this chicken some really good flavor. This has a really nice red color. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. All right, press that down. Get in between the legs there. All right, let's turn it over and season the top side. Get that armpit. All right, that looks good right there. Let's season up our other chicken. All right, spray it down with the avocado oil and rub that oil in. All right, so let's season up this bad boy right here. So for this chicken, I'm using another rub from Pia Seasoning. This is the El Dinero rub, or the money rub. Now this is a Hatch green chili rub that also doubles as a taco seasoning, just like the El Capitan rub. All right, let's flip our chicken and season the top side of it. So Pollo Asado simply means grilled chicken. So if you have carne asada, that just means that it's grilled meat or grilled steak, okay? So I'm gonna be grilling up this chicken on my Yoder flat top. We'll see you guys outside. All right, so for this cook, I am using some Jealous Devil charcoal. This stuff is fantastic. So if you're used to using lump charcoal, you want to use probably half of the Jealous Devil because this does run hotter and some of the chunks are pretty big as well. So I'm just going to dump it into my flat top here. All right, so I'm using my grill gun. Just turn the gas a little bit, hit that trigger, and light it up. All right, so I'm gonna give the coals about 15 to 20 minutes just to ash over. Then we'll grab the chicken and put it on our grill. Stay tuned. All right, so my Jealous Devil charcoal has ashed over and it's nice and hot right now. Now on my Yoder flat top, I do have the option to grill really close to the coals, or I can adjust the charcoal basket all the way down, which is what I'm gonna do, okay? That's about 8-9 inches from the coals. So I'm gonna grab my first chicken, which is the El Capitan chicken, and just put it over the coals, just like that. And here's our El Dinero rub chicken. All right, so I'm gonna close the lid to my Yoder flat top. Now I do have both intakes on the side of the grill, about a quarter of the way open. And I'm also gonna put the exhaust about a quarter of the way open. I'm gonna let the chicken cook for about 15-20 minutes, and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so the chicken has been cooking for about 20 minutes now. Let's go ahead and give it our first flip. Oh yeah, that's what you want. You want the nice charred pieces on the bottom. Again, this is a backyard barbecue Pollo Asado. Just like that. All right, so I'm gonna let this side cook for about 20 minutes as well. I'll bring you guys back in a bit. All right, so the Pollo Asado has been cooking for about 45 minutes, and I have been flipping it about every 15 or 20 minutes. All right, let's get an internal temperature here. Right at the thickest part of the breast. We're sitting at 141 degrees or so. All right, we're sitting at about 145 on the thigh. So I'm gonna let this cook for another 15 minutes. I'll pull them off. We'll see you guys inside. All right, so the Pollo Asado is ready, and the total cook time was 1 hour and 15 minutes. And look at this bad boy right here. Got some nice char on it. Man, this is gonna be delicious. I wish you guys could smell this, because as it was cooking on my flat top, it got really smoky with the fat hitting the coals and coming back up and really seasoning this chicken. So this is gonna be fantastic. So I'm just gonna cut it apart and separate the breast, the leg quarter, and here's the El Capitan seasoned Pollo Asado. And I love this char right here. If you're gonna invite me to a backyard barbecue, the chicken better have some char on it like this. Let me grab my bigger knife. There we go. Separate that leg quarter. Look at these pieces right here. This is gonna be money. All right, so I've got the chicken cut up. From here, you have options, okay? You can make some macaroni salad or some potato salad and some beans and just eat it on a plate like this. Or you can make some tacos, which is what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna cut some of the El Capitan seasoned chicken and some of the El Dinero seasoned chicken. And I'm gonna take some of the breast and also some of that dark meat. But I do want some of this char, some of the skin. Man, this chicken is extremely juicy. So I'm just gonna get little bits and pieces of that. I'm just gonna use my hands. Some of this dark meat right here with some of that delicious skin. That's for one taco right there. And let's do the same for the other taco. Man, this is gonna be amazing. All right, so there's my dark meat for that. I know I'm being a savage using my hands, but that's okay. Look at that. Get some of the skin. Oh yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna move this aside. Grab myself a plate. Have a couple of corn tortillas right here. Look at that. That's my kind of taco right there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be delicious. All right, so I've got some of my homemade red onions right here. You gotta have some of these pickled red onions when you have tacos or barbecue. Just like that. I also have some sour cream right here. This is some Mexican crema. And some homemade avocado salsa. Check that out. Let's give it a taste. All right, let's try these tacos and see how we did. The first one I'm gonna try is the El Capitan seasoned pollo asado. Here we go. All right, so that chicken is super tender, really nice and juicy, and I am really loving the seasoning. I am picking up the citrus notes from the seasoning as well as the chili powder. So now let's try the El Dinero seasoned chicken. Here we go. All right, so that pollo asado that is seasoned with the El Dinero seasoning is really good. In fact, both are good, but I am really loving this El Dinero seasoning. I cannot get over how good this pollo asado is. I gotta tell you, that Yoder Flat Top did an amazing job on this pollo asado, and there's something very special about cooking directly over the coals like that, and that Jealous Devil really gave this chicken a good flavor on the outside. Guys and gals, it is summer of 2021. Get outside and grill something, especially some pollo asado like I made on today's video. If this is your first time here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.